Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate a layer's visibility without any grease pencil keyframes in Blender. So to do this, go to Modifier Properties and add a time offset modifier. Set the mode to Fixed Frame. Influence Layer and choose a layer that you want to animate its visibility. Then, in the frame that you want to have it, add a keyframe, and then in the frame that you don't want to have it, set the frame to frame that there's no keyframe before it. In this case, let's set it to 0. And then add another keyframe. And you could also set this to dope sheet to have more control of this. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.